Hello everyone. Today's topic is Python basics. This video is specially made for beginners who have no prior knowledge of Python or how it works. So let's get started with a simple program that allows us to display or print something on screen. When working with Python, we can use different editors to write our code like IDLE or Visual Studio. IDLE comes pre-installed with Python, but Visual Studio has to be installed separately. In this video, I will walk you through both of them. I've already got Visual Studio installed here, so let's get started. First, I will create a empty folder in my desktop and I will name it as Python. Next, I will open the Visual Studio Code, which is the main interface we will use for coding. Inside VS Code, I'll open the folder which we have created in desktop. Inside this folder, I'll create a file and I will name it as welcome.py. Now it's time to start coding. On the first line, I'll type print open bracket and inside double quotes I'll type something. Hello everyone, and next line I'll type welcome to my channel. Now let's save this file and run this program. Now you can see we have got the output hello everyone and welcome to my channel, what we are given inside the double quotes. So we have got the output here. So this is how Python coding works. As you can see, it's simple. Now let me show you how the same program runs in IDLE editor. So this is the file which we have created. Let me open with IDLE. As you can see, the source code is already here. I will run the program and you can see under IDLE shell we have got the same output which we have given in Visual Studio Code. That's it for now. Catch you in the next program.